What was the other thing you were going to say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
So here is the house from an original perspective. It's the oldest picture that we have found so far of our house. You'll see when I show you the picture what it looks like now, very similar. The lower porch in the original house has a closed-in brick area, half a brick, and the upper porch looks like it might be screened in, and so that is different. But otherwise, it seems to be pretty much the way it looks today. Here's what the house looks like today. Very similar to the original house. You can see the upper porch, there's no screens there, and in the lower porch, that half brick wall around has been removed. So it's got some strengths and weaknesses for that, but I like the way it looks now, I think. On the right side of the house is a portico, I guess is what you call it, and we'll be putting a screened in area in that porch that will come off of the master bedroom.
Hey everybody, I just came out the front door of the big brick house.
This perspective is in the kitchen. To the left, those windows you're looking at will be where the sink and counter will go. It's a great morning light. I can look out over the yard. It's just a really happy place. And here we're still in the kitchen. The kitchen sink window is to the left, and now we're looking at the exposed brick wall. This wall is so fantastic. I think the house was originally built in two sections, so at one point that was an external wall, but it's an internal wall now. On the left, that will be the entrance into the kitchen from the back side of the house, and that second opening will be where the refrigerator will set in. We just love this sort of rustic feel for the kitchen. I can see how this kitchen is going to look in my mind, and it probably is, to me, the most exciting thing about the house, because I've always wanted a kitchen that I can design completely from start to finish. So I just can't even tell you how excited I am about the potential of this kitchen.
And you can see the kitchen is really quite large, and we have these nice 11-foot ceilings, which I'm extremely excited about. So it's a big enough kitchen, but not oversized, I don't think.
This view is in the living room. To the left, you'll see French doors. There's a set of three of those coming off the porch. And then to the right, this is one of the fireplaces in the house. That tile is original handmade Paducah tile, apparently. We're not crazy about it. It's yellow, not our favorite color, but because it is original with the house and it's in such good condition, our feeling is that we will keep it and then build a nice mantle and try to make it look nice. And this is a wood fireplace, but we'll be converting this to a gas vented fireplace that will work a lot better for us. This is the sort of a broad view of the main first floor. The fireplace that I just talked about would be off to the left. You can't quite see it. I'm in another room, which we just call the foyer. We don't really know what that room is for. You can see the staircase to the right. We're going to be doing some work with the staircase, probably twisting it around so it comes more into that room and seems more of a front room. But I kind of love this picture because it shows sort of the potential and excitement of this house. It's got 11-foot ceilings on the first floor, I think about 10 foot on the second floor, and I don't know, maybe 14 feet in the attic. So it's pretty airy, and that makes it pretty fun to think about.
All right, here I am at the landing, and then we've got 4 more stairs to go up, these wide stairs to get up to the second floor. So, fun. And here I am in the second floor. This will be part of a bedroom, we think, the family room and the porch. So, okay.
These next couple of pictures are taken from the second story just to show you it's a sort of a maze of rooms, and we'll be taking down just about all of these walls in order to reconfigure the appropriate number of bedrooms, bathrooms, family room, and so on. But I look at all that wood hanging there, and it just makes me think of how much fun it's going to be to get all that straightened out.
We'll have a bedroom behind me in the back part of the house, and another bedroom on the other side. What is kind of interesting here, this will be a hallway, and then we'll have stairs going up to the attic, which we will also finish. You can see the attic has really nice tall ceiling. So all of this wall that you see here now most likely is going to disappear at some point or not.
And finally, these are pictures of the back porch, second floor, looking out to the carriage house. This is a stairway coming up the back. We'll be tearing all that out, but you can see the carriage house here, and we've already made a lot of changes, which we'll be showing you in the next video. So that back part of the house is going to change a good bit. So that's it for our short little walkthrough. We didn't show you things like the basement. There's some scary things down there, which we'll show you in a future episode when we talk about some of the challenges with the house. Really appreciate you watching this video. I hope you'll consider subscribing and click on the button below and let us know about the kind of content that you want to see. So, all right, thanks. Talk to you next time. Bye.